Yeah, so now let's come to the definition. Like, what is MLOps stands for? So MLOps means machine learning operations. So its core functions revolve around like how to manage these MLOps, or the complete ecosystem around the LLM models. How we are doing kind of a gathering the data, pre-processing it in a way that we could train a particular model, and then deploying it to the production, and then managing it or monitoring it. So this is how this term came into picture. So this is a kind of a definition. So it's like I mean, if you're familiar with the DevOps ecosystem, it's a similar kind of an ecosystem which ensures a reliable artificial intelligence system. So it automates managing of ML models efficiently in the production. So usually any task, whether it's a DevOps or any other task or MLOps, it's a kind of a teamwork, right? So but you as an engineer have to create, or you have to be part of that particular ecosystem.
Hey everyone, hope you enjoyed our session at LWP Labs. For more videos like this, you can subscribe to our channel and contact the number for live classes. The future is now with AI.